let's begin. Okay, so I have applied my primer and now I'm just patting on Mist of the Mint onto the lids. And I'm also going to dust a little bit of leftover onto the eyebrows. Next, I am taking Aladdin's lamp and I'm also just applying that. I have just dipped my brush and primer in the glitter. Now I am taking my hair gel and I'm mixing that with Latte, which is a polyester glitter, and I have mixed that with Chunky Golden Eye. And now I'm applying with a brush onto the hair and I'm dragging that down onto the neck just for added effect. And there you have it. I just added some on the nose as well. I decided to add a little bit of Sabre Red on the lips as well too. And there you go. This is just a fun, easy look that you can create last minute. Enjoy!